The Nothing Phone 3a and Nothing Phone 3a Pro are becoming official on March 4th, and earlier today we've seen both of them in an extensive set of leak renders. The Phone 3a features a triple camera setup in a horizontal manner with the LED flash placed above the horizontal bar. On the other hand, the 3a Pro version has an LED flash and 3 rear-facing cameras. A 50-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel periscope camera will offer 3x optical zoom, 6x lossless zoom, and up to 60x ultra zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter with a Sony sensor. A 50-megapixel selfies camera. Nothing Phone 3a feature a 6.7-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The Nothing Phone 3a series will have the new Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset and run Nothing OS 3.0. The Nothing Phone 3a and Phone 3a Plus could be the first phones from the company to come with eSIM support. Is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that will likely support 45W charging. The Phone 3a is rumored to start around 25,000 rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.